Hi dear connections, Aditya Uday Hegde here. As you know, I am going under internship of embedded system under guidance and mentorship of Balamarthi Vamshi Krishna sir. So here I am here to give you update of my day 10 progress. So first of all, it was the first task was all about the C programming. As you know, I am following the book Let Us See from Yashwant Kanitkar. So in that I have completed the fifth chapter. I am going to the sixth chapter, loop complex. Okay, complexity of loops. So in that I am completed the while loop examples, and now I am going forward with for loop examples. Yesterday I had completed the chapter for loop, do while, break and continue, but it is important to solve as much as problem to get perfect in it. So I am trying to solve as much as problem on for loops and do while loops and while loops, and using with break and continue statements, so I can be familiar with it. And another thing is that second task was about programming in embedded system C and C++ by Michael Barr. So in the Michael Barr's book, it was all about the third chapter I had completed yesterday, compiling, linking and locating. So it was a locator session I have completed, and the third and I am here to inform you that I am also looking in an assembly language. So sir has given me a task to I have to revisit again the second chapter. So I am going to do second chapter again, revising the second chapter again, and working on assembly using C. So it was the second task, and the third task was all about CLI infrastructure in embedded system project. It was all about how was the data is processed. Second, it was the good session. I have completed half of the sessions. Means I have completed second and first session, and I am end of the third session. So in the third session, it was all about I had lack of time, so I was done only 10 to 15 minutes of lecture only. So it was all about data processing, how to process the data. Second, what is the importance of write buffer. Write buffer is an memory location, I got to know. And second thing was how to process the data. So it was in good. This was the also I was looking yesterday, and I am looking today to, as much as I give time for the project to complete it. So I go to the second project. So it was the session. Here was all the updates of day 10. So be with me in this journey of embedded system and I am going to go to challenge. I will update about that also, what I have learned in yesterday's session. So be with me in this journey of embedded system, and thank you. Bye.